In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Google Ads quality score for cheaper clicks. Whether you're new to Google Ads or looking to refine your strategy, understanding how to optimize your ads is crucial to getting the best return on your investment. A higher quality score means your ads perform better and you pay less per click, which is great for any marketing budget. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Google Ads homepage. You can simply type in the URL or search for Google Ads in your favorite search engine. Once you've landed on the page, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, so have those ready if you're not automatically logged in. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home. This dashboard is essentially your central hub where you can manage all your campaigns and view performance metrics. From here, let's zero in on the campaign section. You'll usually find this option on the left hand side of your screen. Clicking here will bring you to an overview of all your current campaigns, which is an excellent way to see how each one is performing at a glance. Next, head over to the assets section. This area is pivotal because here you can inspect and adjust various components of your ads. When you click on assets, you're essentially accessing the creative elements that make up your ads, such as headlines, descriptions, images, and videos. This is the perfect opportunity to ensure that all these components align with your advertising goals and resonate with your target audience. Once you're in the assets, make sure you're making full use of all available ad extensions. Ad extensions have a significant impact on your quality score. They allow you to include additional information about your business, such as contact numbers, location, or specific offers, which can drastically improve your ad's relevance and increase click-through rates. This translates into better engagement and ultimately lowers your costs. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process. Always keep an eye on your metrics, experiment with new strategies, and iterate on what works well. Consistently tweaking and refining your campaigns will lead to improved performance over time. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Google Ads and achieving those elusive, cheaper clicks. Don't hesitate to revisit these areas of your account regularly to make necessary adjustments based on performance data. Good luck optimizing your ads.